We've been having workshops for many years now. I think we had our first one in 2010 or maybe 2011. And our latest workshop went really well. It was an Earthbag root cellar workshop. We got a good bit done. I think everybody learned what they came to learn. And I'll show you the latest. So here's the current state of our root cellar. It won't have any entrances directly to the outside. It'll just have a door that goes inside, currently covered with plywood. We've got strip anchors in the sides to attach to the wood wall here. So that'll give it good strength along the sides, and this curve goes into the earth, so it'll give a lot of support against the weight that is against it on the outside. And we're going to put rebar in it. I'll probably get maybe 3-foot sections of rebar and hammer it every few feet. This board is a pressure treated board, and since it's just up against the bare wall here, I wanted to have a nice connection. And I'll probably even hammer some short pieces of rebar into this for some extra support. You know, at an angle, I'll drill a hole at an angle and hammer the rebar, short pieces of course, so it doesn't come through the inside of the wall, and hammer it in for some extra support. But this is how big it'll be. I built a little cover over it out of some scrap materials to, to make it so we could leave this liner in it, so we could have an unbroken liner. Now, of course, if it rained and you didn't have it covered and you had a liner like this in it, then you're basically going to have a swimming pool. And some people are building swimming pools with earth bags now, and I actually plan to probably later this year. So that's another project I'll share. We also will put strip anchors in the walls wherever we're going to have a connection to anything else. Like this is my water panel. It's currently turned at this unusual angle so we can build the wall. But I'm going to deploy it, and it'll be facing us along this wall under the berm, so it won't be exposed to any potentially freezing temperatures. And I'll put a strip anchor right in this wall here, or one or two to attach it to. Probably a couple would be better. The project goes on. Thanks for watching.